The energy used to excite an electron to higher energy bands is usually expressed in the unit of electron volt, or eV. 1 eV means the energy gained by an electron when it moves up the potential of 1 volt in the negative direction. Just a reminder that an electron loses energy when it moves closer to a positive charge or positive voltage. Therefore, it gains energy when it moves away from a positive charge or moves closer to a negative charge. You may be able to recall mechanical potential energy is given by mgh. Electrostatic potential energy is given by charge times voltage, or QV. Voltage sort of takes the place of height in the mechanical potential energy. In measured units, 1 eV equal to 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 joule. The band gap energy for silicon is given by Eg, which is about 1.1 eV. That is, an electron has to move 1.1 volt of negative voltage to get excited from the valence band to the conduction band.